Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the equation square root of x plus 2 is equal to negative x. And we are asked to find the solutions to this equation. So the easiest way to do this is if you can just square both sides. It's going to get rid of this square root because the square root of something squared is just the thing itself. So this is just x plus 2 is equal to negative x squared is just x squared. And now we have a quadratic where if we just subtract minus x minus 2 from both sides, these cancel, so we have 0 is equal to x squared minus x minus 2. This is something we can factor. We have x plus some number times x plus some number is equal to x squared minus x minus 2. So we need two numbers that multiply to negative 2 and add to negative 1. You can go through the options and you will find that there aren't that many because negative 2 only has two options for factors. It's negative 1 and 2, and 1 and negative 2. And then they have to add to negative 1. So negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1, 1 plus negative 2 is negative 1. So this is the correct option. So x plus 1 times x minus 2. For 0 to be equal to x plus 1 times x minus 2, either x plus 1 has to be equal to 0 or x minus 2 has to be equal to 0. Subtracting 1 from both sides, this is x is equal to negative 1. And adding 2 to both sides, x is equal to 2. So, are these both solutions? No, and you'll see why. Plugging these back in, that should solve the equation. And if we do that, for negative 1, we get the square root of x plus 2 is negative 1 plus 2 is equal to negative x, so negative negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1, so this is the square root of 1 is equal to negative negative 1 is positive 1. Square root of 1 is 1 is equal to 1. So that checks out. How about when we do 2? That's going to give us the square root of x plus 2 is 2 plus 2 is equal to negative x, so negative 2. The square root of 2 plus 2 is the square root of 4 is equal to negative 2, and the square root of 4 is 2. And 2 is not equal to negative 2, so x is equal to 2 is not a solution. So the only solution is x is equal to negative 1 because that satisfies the original equation. And B, negative 1 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.